Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ulat gajala UCH Vijaya Shankar, ulapan pa ba usngokmen ba ushimti ka kam ulat gajala Meghalaya. Ulaong ba gajala Meghalaya judan kinong krong, Henry habayu iya kinong krong hakidunti, lada kili ki kimdei kinong Meghalaya, Henry kidei nakiwaypat gajala. Kinong shnong gajala Meghalaya kiburam bhai rade, bat kiburam ru yakiway ulaong. Kumjuru ulayaro baka Meghalaya kalong gajala kabakhut, hakabala banyo yaka kabakhut bat kalier kabakhut. Kumjuru usngo sarong ba gajala Meghalaya kadai gajala kababuram ya kakantai, bat ba ushanrang uhap bansa hayeng kakantai andala dep yatho. Yakin kikentian ulat ulakran gajala kek International Human Rights Day, balapelong da ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission mentakasngi ka shipotari unopra arajar arpusau.
In that way, we have to ultimately discharge our duties here. But one thing I'm very proud to be here in Meghalaya as a donor to serve the state of Meghalaya. I'm proud to mention here when I had come here as a donor of Ajum Church. As a governor here, some of the senior citizens, the retired officer, it was a courteous visit, he had come to meet me. By that time he told me one thing, you see Mr. Governor, Meghalaya is unlike any other state. You go anyway, in any part of the Meghalaya, you show me even a single beggar. You won't find anywhere beggars in Meghalaya. This is what he told me. Since then I am observing wherever I go, within the city of Ceylon or within the state of Meghalaya. Of that, again I was supposed to meet him. By that time, again I mentioned this. By that time he told me, if at all you are going to find any beggar, anywhere in any part of Meghalaya, you ask him, basically he is not from Meghalaya. In the sense, self-respect, command the respect. That is a top priority, I can say, in the state of Meghalaya, we can say. Top priority is self-respect. Respect ourselves, respect others. And second thing, I am very happy to be here in this state. Even in the given situation, as some of our officers being given introduction about me, they have been told about me. 10 years I was in Delhi as a member of parliament. We have seen the city of Delhi. 10 years I was in Delhi. Pollution is the biggest hurdle in Delhi now. Pollution is the biggest hurdle. But I am proud to say here, if at all you are able to find and get pure air and pure water, if at all you are able to get, that credit goes to Meghalaya. That credit goes to Meghalaya, pure air and pure water. When they have given introduction about me, they told me I have been served as a forest minister, government of Karnataka. In that way also I am proud to mention here, if at all the issue of medicinal plants comes, the issue of Ayurveda comes, whenever this topic comes for discussion, I am proud to mention here that first grade in case of medicinal plants In that way also, first phase goes to Meghalaya, that particularly northeast. Then next phase goes to Himalaya. Next phase then goes to Western Ghats. And then also, we being Meghalaya people, in that way also we have to be proud in case of medicinal plants. The issue of 5 major comes. First place goes to Meghalaya. Negative things I leave to the rest of the other people. These are the positive aspects we can see in Meghalaya. More than that, I am more proud to say, after I come here, I came to know that, Agita Sangmaji, I came to know that it is a female-dominated society. You are the two standing examples here. Director General of Police and yourself. Meghalaya, female-dominated society. In case of Karnataka or rest of the any other part of India, as soon as a girl gets married, a boy, girl is supposed to come to boy's house. But in case of Meghalaya, it's not like that. As soon as a boy gets married, a girl, what is going to happen here? Boy is supposed to come to girl's house. Whether it is true or not. True or not. Many of the law students are here. In case of Meghalaya, this is one more thing I have to mention here, then I come to my speech. This is also I am very proud to mention here. In case of rest of the other part of India, ancestors' property right. Ancestors' property right. In case of rest of the other part of country, in case of Karnataka, ancestral property right comes to the eldest son of the family. I am the eldest son in my family. Ultimately, ancestral property right comes to me. But whereas, in case of Meghalaya, ancestral property right ultimately goes to the youngest daughter of the family. She is going to be the custodian. She is going to be custodian. See the specialty, customs, tradition of this particular society of Meghalaya. In that way, you are very lucky. The people living in Meghalaya, that too living in Shillong, I tell you, you are living in heaven. Because if at all you are able to find a clean village in the entire country, in that way also, if at all you are able to find a clean village, clean city, in that way also you have to come to Meghalaya only. Cleanest city, cleanest village. I being Mysore, I am Mysorean. It is very difficult to accept any other place rather than Mysore. I being a Mysorean, we never accept. Always we say, in case of clean city, in case of any issue comes, always top priority should be given to Mysore in the country. That's what we say, and cities like that only. But after I come here, it is inevitable for me to accept it. you are living in heaven. You can get anything, anywhere in any part of the country and world, but very difficult to get clean air and clean water. And the issue of law and order comes here. This is sitting here. After I come here, out of 4 months, 4.5 months, I am very happy to mention here. After I come here, with loud voice I can say, with this responsible position which I hold, by standing in this position I can say, whereas in case of Meghalaya, law and order issue, very, very peaceful state I tell you. No law and order issues here. Very peaceful. In that way also, the people of Meghalaya, you people are very lucky.